This is my midweek catch yourself dinner. Oh, hi guys. I'm your girl Norleen, and you know I'm coming back to you again on a Wednesday. It's quick fix feel good Wednesday meal. I have a medium chicken breast and I've placed it flat down. I'm gonna use my bottle as my mallet, and I am just trying to tenderize and flatten my chicken breast as much as possible. To do this meal, I am using 2 chicken breasts, 1 large chicken breast, and 1 medium chicken breast. So I'm done with this one. Moving on to the next one, I will repeat the process. Just flatten and start pre-tenderizing the chicken breast. Add some salt and pepper to it. This is like salt, garlic salt on both sides, pepper, of course, all purpose. And I'm gonna close up with the juices, and just I'm gonna allow that to marinate. I will put this away in a Ziploc bag to marinate because, guys, I have 2 that I had already prepared just for this meal. Cleanup is important, guys. All right, so we're going to get this show on the road. See there, people, a medium coconut blended. I am extracting 2 cups of coconut milk. In that pot, guys, I already have a cup of finely chopped callaloo. Add some chicken noodle stock. I'm gonna add it with. Add a tablespoon of blended green seasoning. Next, guys, I'm adding my bell pepper and onion. Just about 1/4 cup of bell pepper, red, green, yellow, or whatever. However, the amount you want, guys, is really up to you. To that, you're gonna add your powdered season. I'm using garlic salt, Maggi, all-purpose. Stir that in, guys, and check if it's just right. For me, it was just right. You can add a little bit more salt if you want. Next, we're gonna add 1/2 tablespoon of all-purpose season. And guys, we're gonna stir that in. A whole Scotch bonnet pepper, some fresh thyme leaves, cover that and make that cook for about 10 minutes. So guys, after 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. It's ready for the rice. So I'm gonna prepare the rice in just a minute. So we'll put in the rice, people, and we'll go on to the chicken breast. See it there? The one you're ready from yesterday, people. So I have about 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna place the chicken breast flat down, or the folded side. I'm gonna place it down, and I'm gonna allow that for fry on both sides. After approximately 7 minutes, people, this done on all sides. I'm gonna stick the fork in it for you to see the juices them are run out. It nice and ready. I'm gonna take it off and put it aside. After removing the chicken breast, I'm using the same pot, guys, with all the juices that were in the bottom of the pot. I'm gonna add to that my bell pepper, and onion, garlic, ginger root. I've added some noodle stock to that, and of course 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. Stir that in, people. You see Scotch bonnet, I see one with it in the rice. Next, add 2 tablespoons of honey. This is organic, good Jamaica honey, people. Stir this in. Ensure that all your flavors are combined, because this will make the difference in your meal. So, all right, what I will do is now spoon this onto the fried chicken breast that I've placed in foil. You're gonna wrap your foil and fold the ends, guys. Put it in an already 375-degree heated oven. I'm gonna set this for 5 minutes. I'm setting the timer because I don't want it overcooked and my chicken breast is rubbery. After 5 minutes, people, I want to take a look on this. Take a look on this and tell me something not great. Tell me something about people. This look good. Look on the first one. Look on the second one, people. A pure niceness a go on in this. As some like it. Can you imagine how it a got taste when it drop on your plate? Yo, it look good. Alright, let me get a hold of myself. Alright, so my rice ready, meat ready, everything nice. Alright, people, see it there, 30 minutes, and my dinner done, people. It is honey glazed barbecue chicken breast served with callaloo rice, avocado, and tomato slices. It is another of my mother's recipe from my kitchen, my pot, onto my daughter's table. I hope you'd enjoy the journey in the kitchen with me this afternoon. I hope you're inspired to try this in your kitchen. Remember, guys, like, subscribe to my channel, guys. Leave a comment in the section below. Push that post notification bell, people, so as soon as it drop off the stove, you'll get that notice right away. A food we are cook over here, so come get your share. Share it with your friends, people.